In this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing and how to make a full-time income online, even if you are a beginner. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned for this next video. So welcome back. So look, if this is your first time on my channel, your first time watching my YouTube videos, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button below this video. I do videos about making money from home, lead generation, just building a home-based business for part-time entrepreneurs and beginners. That's what I'm all about. And I love sharing this type of content and information that actually has helped me over the years be successful in what I do. So, hey, I don't want to waste any of your time. I want to get right down to the meat and potatoes of this content. So what I want to do, so you can get a more clear bird's eye view of what's going on, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, we're going to dive into my screen and we're going to make this thing happen. So hey, get ready. Let's dive into my screen right now. All right, let's jump into it. So we're on my screen. So I'm going to be looking back and forth at you on the camera. Also, I'm going to be writing on my screen at the same time. So let me do a little recap just in case you forgot what I said earlier about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, I'm just going to use an AF. Affiliate marketing is basically when a company pays a third party to promote their products and services. And what happens is they pay that third party a percentage of that sale. So if they're promoting something, they give you the link. Say you the third party, they give you the link, you sign up to their program, they give you the link and you promote it and you make a sale, they're going to give you a percentage of that sale. So let me kind of jump to a different screen real quick and just show you one of the known people or one of the known companies that has a great affiliate program that a lot of people use. So let's jump here. So right here, let's go to Amazon, right? So I'm clicking here on Amazon. And as you can see, Amazon has an affiliate program. And basically, when you sign up to the affiliate program and you promote a link from whatever products or service on their site, you're going to get a commission. You're going to make money. Another company that a lot of people don't know even have an affiliate program, Walmart. As you can see here, you can sign up to Walmart's affiliate marketing company. They have a program as well where you can get paid through affiliate marketing with Walmart. Another one, right, is Lowe's. Lowe's even have an affiliate program, right? So these are some of the companies, known companies that a lot of people know about, that some people don't even know they have an affiliate program where you can promote their products and services and earn a commission off of the sale. Let me just jump into one more. Macy's. If you're familiar with Macy's, I know about Macy's because my wife shops at Macy's. They even have an affiliate program where they're going to pay you commissions for promoting their products and services. So let me jump back to my screen. So usually, right, with this, usually we're promoting these type of companies, and I'm going to use PP for physical product, right? Usually they pay you anywhere from 5% to 10% commissions. When you promote this company, they pay you anywhere from 5% to 10%. And then you have then you have digital products, right? And I'm going to use DP for digital product. And they pay you anywhere from 30% on up, depending on the company and depending on, the price of the item and things of that nature. So let me just kind of show you some of the digital products that I actually use and I actually promote as an affiliate. So one of them is called Click Magic. This is a tracking service that I use in my business when I'm doing paid advertising, right? And they're paying 35% reoccurring commission. So whenever that person buys this product and they pay their monthly fee or their quarterly fee, I'm going to be earning 35% commissions. Another one that I use, right, it's called Aweber. It's an autoresponder service where I'm able to email my leads. They also pay me a commission, right? And let's jump down and see exactly what their commission rate. They have a reoccurring of 30% commission rate, right? And another one that I use, right, is a lead page. It's a catcher page system to help me to be able to capture leads, to generate leads in my business. So let's jump down and see exactly how much they're paying. Let's see if they have it on their site, right? And yes, they do. I already got it cut. So they're currently paying 30% reoccurring commission. So that's what it's all about, guys. But here's the thing, right? Just because you sign up to the affiliate program, right, and you get their link, you can't just be spamming their link all over the place, because it really, truly doesn't work that way. In order to really get a leeway, to really start having success with affiliate marketing, here's what you got to do. You have to create content. Let me write that down. Content. You can't just be spamming your link. You can't just be going everywhere and say, hey, go through this link to buy your next hat or your next shoe or your next lampshade or whatever. You can't be doing that. You got to create content that people are actually looking for. And what happens is when you create content they're looking for and you pop up and you share it, where here's the thing. Content can be a review. Let me show you, like, it can be a review. It can be one product versus another product. I put VS for versus, right? You can say, is this shoe better than that shoe? You can talk about shoes. I mean, whatever you want to talk about, but it's just, is this one better than that one? It can be a lot of different stuff. Unbox, meaning you actually own the product and you unbox and you showing people how to use. It could be tutorials. Tutorial. Let me see if my spelling is correct, right? It could be tutorials. It can be all those things, right? That's creating content. You can do it via YouTube videos, YouTube, right? You can be doing it blog posts. You can be doing it Pinterest. There's so many different platforms where you can create content and you can do reviews versus unbox, tutorials, and then you can promote that particular product or service, right? I mean, it's crazy. So let me jump into one of my videos. Let me jump on to my YouTube channel real quick. Let me go to my YouTube channel real quick and let me show you YouTube Shawn Johnson Super Door. So I'll pop up. All right, that's here I go. That's not the video I want, but bear with me. I'm going to jump into my channel real quick and I'm going to show you a video I recently did where I did a tutorial on a product that I own. So let me jump down here, boom, boom, boom. So this right here. So in this video, right, I basically talked about how you can leverage Facebook, how you can generate free leads and traffic, and then I promoted this product, right? I promoted the tool that I was talking about in this video. So that's basically it. So if you're creating YouTube videos, most of the time you'll see people talk about the product in the video and then they'll come down and share the link to that particular product. And that's what you got to do. So it's real simple, and to really create income with affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner, it's all about finding a company that you want to promote, right? Then getting your links and then creating content and then promoting your links in that content, right? Promoting your links in that content. So basically you want to go out and give value. So as you share the information with people, now they're subject to either want to buy that product, right? Or maybe they want to do more research, but you already pretty much given them the blueprint of what's going on and how they can go ahead and buy that product because you're giving them your link in the description or in whatever content that you're presenting. So there you have it. I just kind of broke down to you how you can create a full-time income online as an affiliate marketer, even if you are a beginner. So here's what I got for you. Down in the description, go ahead and click on the link. I got a link that's going to link you to a training program that's really going to break down everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you become a top affiliate online, even if you're a beginner today, even if you're a beginner. To me, it's one of the best, or is the best training online that really breaks down affiliate marketing and how you can go out and promote anything that you want to do online, whatever company it is, whatever product it is, or whatever service it is. So go ahead and click that link in the description. Go ahead and link up and sign up for that training, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hey, so before you go, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. And if you have any questions or if you got any ideas or anything you want me to talk about or any videos you want me to do in the near future, make sure you leave a comment below so I can make sure I can help you as much as I can. So hey, that's all I have for you on this video. See you on the next one.